I need to show you something. A white one for your neutral looks. Countless sleepless nights. I'm not going to use the bottle one yet. I haven't had that yet. Honestly, I haven't given up. Ironically, I do not want to do anything. Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. If you're seeing me for the very first time, hi, my name is Tarasha and on this channel I share all things productivity, lifestyle and motivational. So if any of that is your jam, definitely hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you here, and those of you who are returning viewers, well, you already know that I appreciate you so much. Also, please ignore the roller in my hair. I'm gonna take it out in a bit. But yeah, it's been such a long week. If you're all caught up on my vlogs, you know that my brother-in-law, my sister and my little niece were visiting us, and we have had like countless sleepless nights just sitting, chatting, gossiping, catching up, and of course spending the sweetest time with my little niece. It was such a full house, but now it's just me and AB, and we need to slowly slip back into our routine. We had such a wonderful time together, and honestly the house feels a little empty, but that's okay. Now it's time to reset and get back on track. I had a pretty early morning. I think I got up around 5 or 5:30 a.m. naturally because I slept early yesterday, and I don't know why, but when I slept yesterday I was craving a matcha, but right now I think I'm having some bad cramps and I'm really craving something hot and comforting. I also need to make my breakfast. I'm thinking of an egg white omelette, but after that I think I'm gonna have a hot cappuccino. Anyways, happy Friday. I hope whenever you're watching this you're having a wonderful week or weekend. And yeah, let's get into the groove of things. I will quickly have my breakfast, film some short form content and be right back with you. Okay, so it's over 12:30 p.m. and I just got done with filming some short form content. I actually batch created a lot of it and just caught up on some things I left pending when my family was visiting. Nothing too crazy, I just wanted to find my flow again. And okay, I need to show you something. So my sister helped me order some new Apple Watch bands from Singapore. Honestly, they have such a nice collection and they're super cheap too in Singapore. So whenever my brother-in-law travels there, I make sure to stock up. So this time I ordered 4 of them. This is the first one. It is a multicolored band. The second is in silver with some marble pearlish details, and the other 2 are these stretchy bands. A white one for your neutral looks, and this pink, green and beige one. I don't know, it just spoke to me. I really love the look of it. I can't wait to try all of these out. Also, I do get DMs on my Instagram regarding my Apple Watch band. In fact, the one I'm wearing right now is from Singapore too. There's this website from which my sister places an order. She helps me out because she has lived there too, so she knows everything very well. But I know that won't be feasible for every one of you, so I'll try to link a few Instagram stores that I feel like carry a similar collection. But just a disclaimer, they're gonna be pricey. These ones aren't. I feel like these things are a little little luxurious in India. But apart from it, my brother-in-law also got me these Swiss chocolates. These are from Switzerland, so spoiled, right? But these little things make me so happy. Also, my sister got me these cute little earrings just because, and I'm so grateful. I was in need of some new earrings, so I'm pretty happy. Now I'm gonna prep some lunch. I'm thinking of having some rava idli with some coconut chutney, keeping it really simple because I've been up since morning and working a lot, and I'm starting to feel a little tired, but that's okay. Okay, so the afternoon slump has hit me, and honestly, my peppermint green tea is not gonna cut today. So instead, I'm gonna make a iced matcha latte. I'm gonna use up my Heapwell ceremonial green matcha. I'm not gonna use the Coty one yet because I need to finish this up. The color has gone so bad already. I do not want it to go to waste. I also ordered the oat milk from Country Delight in the morning itself, but I am excited to use my chawan from Crafty Bal. If you saw my last vlog, you already saw me unbox this. So yeah, I'm gonna make one and relax for a bit. I am pretty tired and wiped out. I do not know why, maybe because I got up a little early, but yeah, let's make it and wake up my mind. So it's a Saturday and it's around 7:40 p.m. I was editing all day and I put up a vlog. It is a very wholesome vlog, so if you haven't checked it out, I will link it in the cards, so make sure you check it out. So my entire day was dedicated to editing, and well, I tried to take a nap but was unsuccessful, and now I'm just bored. I'm simply bored. And ironically, I do not want to do anything. Like, if you're bored, you have to get moving and do certain things, but I am not in a mood to do anything. I do not want to cook. I do not want to do any fun activities. So we decided to step out of the house, and I think we'll have to go to a mall or something because it's so humid today and I'm just done with the summers already. I want them gone. The weather yesterday was so good. I think we had the coldest August, but today it's a nightmare. It's so humid, and well, that is what I'm up to this Saturday. So it is 10:30 p.m. and I'm pretty wiped out. The food was so good, and now the only thing that I want to do is sleep. So I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I have to admit, I wasn't planning on filming anything today. Honestly, I've been feeling like I'm kind of in a funk, or like I do not want to do anything. I think I've already spoken about it yesterday. I feel like my social battery is getting drained minute by minute. Sometimes you just hit that point where everything feels stuck. It's like the days are all blending in together and I'm just running on autopilot. But I'm trying to shake it off, reset, and get back on track. And honestly, hanging out with you guys helps to keep me sane, accountable, and motivated. It's not like I'm unmotivated because I've lots on my plate and I really want to get things done. But I don't know, let's try to get back our groove and still find a way to stay productive on these low energy days. Also, I was just getting done with my morning routine. I've already had my breakfast, so we went to Om Sweets to have some aloo puri. It's a Sunday. What a better way to start a Sunday morning. And then I showered. I still have two dyes in my hair, but I can do that after I've had my morning coffee because I haven't had that yet. I am thinking of making a Vietnamese coffee but with a twist, like with some coconut milk. So that is what I'm planning to have. And if you're curious like how I spend my mornings, I have a bunch of morning routine vlogs on my channel up already, like the winter morning routine, summer morning routine, a slow morning in my life. So everything's on my channel. I'll also link the playlist down below. So if you're at all interested, do check it out. So yeah, that is where I've been at. And now let's continue with our day. Okay, so I've had my coffee, dyed my hair, and now I need to refill my vitamins. It's been a while. I just have one more day left, but it's been a while since I've done it, not gonna lie. Also, it reminds me that I need to take my collagen as well. So we'll be doing that. But first, let's refill these just with some essential vitamins like E, D, and your multivitamins. That's it. Honestly, I haven't given up on this drink, but the thing is, I've been having amla daily in the morning itself, like the natural amla. And the thing is, amla is itself a natural collagen builder. So, in a way, I wasn't ignoring that, but it is really good to have a drink like this in summers. Cheers. It is still as good. This too has amla in it, and this is what gave me the idea. And both of them have been working like wonderfully for my skin. I feel like my skin glows. Like right now, I'm just wearing a bit of concealer. That's it, nothing else, and still, I think it looks really glowy. So, all thanks to the natural amla in this drink. All done. I just got my journal out and my pen case. By the way, this is from Kiki K, and I just need to brain dump a little bit. I feel like writing things down really helps to clear my head. Do you guys journal too, or do you have any other method to get out of a funk? You know, I'm always curious to try new things, so leave them in the comment section. I would love to know how you guys get back to yourself. I feel like I've been working for a while, so I had to step away to take a breather. And I think after a few minutes, I'm just gonna wrap up the day and chill for the rest of the Sunday. I wanted to take this moment to thank each and every one of you who has been part of my YouTube journey. We are still a very small community, but I'm seeing it grow slow and steadily. Also, I love that you guys are commenting, engaging with my videos. It makes me so happy and it feels so incredible. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it was not very detailed and a long one, but still I wish that you guys had fun hanging out with me for a couple of days. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And I want to say that it's fine, like if you are not at your 100% every day, that's okay. We all go through seasons like this where we feel stuck, not motivated, not as productive as we are in our regular days. I feel like it's about knowing when to give yourself grace and slow down. And with that, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I will see you guys in the next one.
She keeps
Bye.
me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long.